Are you looking for the right app that can help you catch a cheating partner? Or perhaps monitor your child from being exposed to the online world while also letting them enjoy technology? Well, if that's the case, you came to the right video. In this video, I will let you know everything you need to get started with Mspy. This app is very easy to use and has incredible features, and you can rest assured that you get what you pay for. Unlike other spying apps out there, Mspy has incredible features that aren't available anywhere else. That said, I'll also give my personal verdict about this app. Before we dive into the details, I'd like to let you know that there's a link in the description below if you want to download Mspy and get a discounted package. Now let's begin. What is Mspy anyway, and how does it work? Essentially, Mspy is a spying application. You download it on any smartphone device and track that device's activities. This app makes it easier for parents to track their kids' online activities and monitor the media they consume. It's also very handy if you want to keep someone safe. It doesn't necessarily have to invade one's space to become useful. For example, you can track where your kids are, so if anything unfortunate happens to them, you can easily track their phone and find out where they are. In other words, if you want to keep track of someone, whoever it is, Mspy is the app. So how can you use Mspy? Unlike other apps of the same nature, Mspy has one of the best features that can't be found in similar apps. Step 1. Download Mspy. Mspy is not available in both Android and iOS app stores. Instead, to download this app, go to www.mspy.com. Step 2. From the website, create an account or simply use a pre-existing email. Step 3. Select a device to monitor. This can be an iOS or Android device, but you can also decide on that later on. Step 4. Select a plan that works well for you. The great thing about getting a 12-month plan is that you get the most discounted price, and you can enjoy the benefits of the app for much longer. Step 5. Enter your payment details using a debit or credit card, and then click Submit Order. Once Mspy is downloaded, you can start tracking the targeted device. One thing to note is that if you want to track the targeted device in real time, you might have to jailbreak the device. The requirements to jailbreak a device will be displayed on the Mspy website, which you can see during the account creation process. If you don't want to track the device in real time, there's no need to jailbreak. One of the key benefits of using Mspy is that it's not detectable at all. Unlike other apps, Mspy cannot be seen across the device. It's not displayed anywhere in the system. So if you download this app on your target device, it will go unnoticeable. The device will not notified, and the app will simply run in the background. So how will you track the device's activities? There's no need for you to download the app on your phone to do that. Simply go over to a browser, find www.mspy.com, and log in with your account details. From there, you will see a button that displays your target device, and you will have a complete dashboard that displays every activity you select to be monitored on that device. Great, isn't it? But that's not all. One of the best features of Mspy is the app monitoring and filtering. This feature allows you to monitor certain social media apps such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and many more. What this feature allows is for you to be able to open the messages for each social media app. So if you click the target device's WhatsApp activities, you can see all of the messages, images, and contacts being shared in that app. This is the reason why Mspy stands out among other spy apps. Other spy apps can only track SMS messages and will only notify you for certain types of messages that involve harm. Another great feature is being able to keep track of what is being downloaded on the device and how much time the user spends on it. So, for example, you have a kid who's only allowed a maximum of 3 hours on their phone, which includes social media, YouTube, and games. This means that you'll know exactly how much time your kids are using for those apps. You can even block these apps so that your kids can't use them. According to reviews, they find the location tracking so useful in this app. The location tracking of Mspy is top-notch because it allows for real-time tracking, and even send you notifications of whenever the user of the target device enters or leaves a certain area. So, if you selected a specific area in which the user is only allowed to go, such as your city, if they ever leave that area, you will be notified. So you will know whenever your kid is going other places besides school or a friend's house. These alerts are only available on Android devices. With iOS devices, they are still possible, however. Jailbreaking will be necessary. For certain web filtering and supervision, Mspy allows you to block certain websites that you don't want your kids to visit. It's very handy if you want to keep your child out of malicious websites that they aren't allowed to visit. Now let's talk pricing. The premium price is about $50 per month, but the price significantly drops down to $28 and $11 per month if you subscribe to the annual plan. So if you're planning on subscribing for a premium price, getting the annual plan would be a great deal. Mspy is a little bit on the expensive side of spy apps because Mspy allows you to track not just one device at once, but 3 devices. This comes in handy if you want to track a partner who has multiple devices, or if you want to keep track of more than one of your kids. With other spy apps, a subscription only allows you to track one device, and that's it. So I think with Mspy, it's a bargain. It's also important to note of Mspy's customer service. If you find that the tracking experience isn't going smoothly for some reason, you can simply talk to their customer service, and they can fix it for you. They can also jailbreak your targeted device and install the app for you, so it's going to be a hassle-free process. Overall, because of Mspy's wide range of features, also allowing multiple devices to be tracked, and the affordable subscription plan, I highly recommend this app for multiple purposes. If you're in need of a parental control app, if you want to keep your kids safe, or if you want to track your partner. Once again, don't miss out on this opportunity to click the link in the description below and download Mspy now and get it at a discounted price.